Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. I know I've been gone for a cool minute. You guys don't know, my name's Penny. Go to car meets, do car things. I love cars. So this is my 2015 Fiat Abarth. It's stock for the most part. I do have some L brackets here because this, if you guys haven't seen the video, Wagner Tuning, I did get this thing and it was a while to get it shipped to me, but I got it and I had to go through a bunch of different processing to get it, and it's for the European Fiats. So this was kind of just a mock-up thing just to see how it would fit. I did get some regular hardware from Home Depot, and the UK Fiats come with a spacer. Mine clearly doesn't. They actually just come with little bump stops. I just took from a parts car I had. I just put those down here and they don't work as well. I already see here, maybe on this side. Well, I've already scraped the intercooler on this driveway, just trying to get up and down. Yes, that's all my oil. So a couple of things I have to button up is obviously just finding out where the oil is leaking from, and most likely it's just leaking from that oil pan because I didn't put the plug in all the way and I kind of just got excited to get around the block. So my timing is good, everything is good on this car. The only thing I really have to do right now is trying to get this to this, and it is pretty flat right here, so I'm just gonna drill straight through and through, and hopefully I'm eligible to do that with the tools I have. Oh yeah, and obviously this is all not gonna fit under there, so I'm gonna be taking off that part and I'll catch up with you guys on that one. But I will be cutting this whole entire bumper in a style I've seen in the UK, basically like the 595. They just had this entire section cut off. So that's the goal. Right here, just like a straight face, no more smiley face. Just take the grill out, cut it straight down, and maybe even paint this whole entire section right here, all from this section right here all the way down right here, all black, so it covers up all the scratches and whatnot. So 3 runs, I'll play a video. So she runs, you know, and super excited for that. There is no oil leaks anywhere else. There still is oil in the blanket for the downpipe, but other than that, she is running efficiently, and I gotta put some coolant in it too. Now it is floating on its little things, so on the hoses, but the goal is to get it up and as back as possible. Give me 1 second. Up and as back as possible. So yeah, we're looking in here, it's kind of touching. Bam, maybe right there. This one, it's really hard because of the hoses, just the locations that they're in, but I'm gonna try to push this baby back as far as possible. Alright, so I got my pen, and then I marked a little tiny dot underneath where exactly I'm gonna have to cut at. So obviously I'm gonna have to widen that hole. I'm gonna widen this guy, I'm cut into it, and I'm gonna cut into there. That's gonna fit this nut because I'm gonna be using the old hardware. I don't have to waste more money on this car. So close. So about one more size. It's the biggest thing that I have. That's the sad thing to say. I'm gonna go up one more size and see what happens. Actually, it looks like I have a bigger one. So it's all about a step process, guys. Woo! Sketchy. I got it. Got the big one in there. Let's see if it fits. Alright. Ah, so close. Maybe if I get like a filer or something. Jesus, I don't even have a filer. Maybe if I hell yeah, deep penetration, let's go. So step number 2 is done with that hole, and obviously I made a bigger hole right here. It's a little off center, but I made a snowman, or number 8. That's pretty cool. But I know the bolt will go through, and even if it's more forward, it's cool because it's tucking the intercooler back more, and I didn't risk damaging the intercooler. So that's basically the process, guys. My apologies not being able to show you the whole shabam. Only got one hand for, well, only got 2 hands, 1 and 2. So don't have a lot of hands to record. But I'll catch up with you guys when I get this thing a little bit mounted on there. Alright guys, so after some zing zing, some zoom zoom, and a vroom vroom, we have shaved down the head. So it's a little flat on one side. It's cool because it's going to serve 2 purposes. It's going to hold it into place, and when I tighten it down, I don't necessarily have to hold a socket in here. I know it might be one of the biggest issues. So what I did over here, kind of like spread the hole a little bit, spread the cheeks, and then cut that up there. So now the ultimate test. So I'm trying to put you guys down in front of me and then get my fingers up in there and get this thing in there to see what happens. yeah, let's get it. Ain't going nowhere. Safety squints. Jeez. Alright. Oh wow, for you guys, it's probably only gonna be a few seconds, but for me that was like a whole 10 minutes. But you know what? That's as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna do some fabrication to this little radiator mount down there. I'm gonna cut something up just enough so that way it will clear the intercooler. Because I don't know, the US models suck. US Fiat suck. I'd rather get a UK one, but you know, they still are really nice cars, but just the whole mounting situation sucks. But yeah, guys, that's it. I don't want to mess up any more on this thing. I already feel bad for cutting that bolt. I had to do it though. But yeah, let's do some modification to that radiator bracket. You know what? Change of plans. I know it's hitting it. I know it's probably gonna bother it when I'm like picking up boost or something like that. But you know what? I'm just gonna leave it. It's as good as it's gonna get. It's bolted on there, 1 and 2. This structure right there. Now I'm just trying to get these. But now I'm gonna get these damn monkey brackets off. Look at those bolts. Sheesh. Alright, so even though I'm getting a bumper from the UK, it's gonna be the 595 style front bumper, I really do not want to cut into this one. Just because it's like, it still has to be on the car, but I know that intercooler is definitely hitting some of this protecting stuff underneath. So I think I'm just gonna cut all this off and then see if it fits, and if it doesn't fit then I guess we're going full on X-Acto mode. Already a dead battery. So I tell you guys, these things are junk. Another reason why I don't want to start cutting up my front bumper. Alright guys, there she is, officially cut up. That's it guys, and we're gonna go underneath the car now After I get all this assembled, go underneath the car, check the oil drain plug and see if that's all nice and tight. And then after that, we should be good to go, and the car will be done. Just needs coolant, and then yeah, coolant and smogged, and then she's real legal. That whole entire lip has to come out, and then this is just sandwiching and touching. So expose, I guess we go. Expose. That looks good. Doesn't look like there's any leaks. So I think that's it, guys. I think that's it for all the work, guys. Definitely we're gonna have the lowrider meet coming up on the 7th of this month. So if you guys haven't already, hit that subscription button, help your boy out. I know I've been slow on content. That's because I've been stuck fixing this thing. Also, they did change my schedules to Saturday mornings, so I do work on Saturday mornings. And then we did miss a JDM meet on Sunday, but got the daily there. They put a nice junk sticker on there. But yeah, definitely, guys, like I said, hit the subscription button, help your boy out grow in 2023. Let's get it. In the next video, like I said, it'll be lowrider meet. So as always, stay safe and stay chill.